How to enter promo codes on Etsy. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily enter promo codes on Etsy while you check out. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, click on the search bar right here and then search for etsy.com, hit enter. You'll be taken directly to Etsy's website. And once you open up Etsy, all you have to do is find an item to purchase. So let's just go ahead and tap on this. And I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, find a product. So let's just go ahead and pick up this scarf. Click on it and now click on add to basket. You can select your option and then click on basket. Now you'll find your cart or your basket up top, so just tap on this bag icon. Now you can find your items that you've added here. All you have to do is select your item to proceed to checkout. But before you do that, you can have an option to apply the coupon code. Click on this. And if you have a valid coupon, you can just enter the code here and then click on apply. It will be applied to both of your checkout. However, you cannot stack coupons on individual products for multiple times. So make sure that you do it once. And once you apply for coupons, you'll get your discount. Select your payment method from here and then proceed to checkout. Now that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.